Hello everybody, this is Itay Verchik, and on this short guide I'm going to show you how to create a new user admin in your WordPress site. Okay, so first of all, in order to be able to create any user you want on your WordPress site, you have to log into your user admin on WordPress. And then on the dashboard right here on the menu, you can see the users. Below you have add a new user. Right here, you have a required fields and unrequired fields. So just fill the username, let's say for an example, I call it Itay, and the Gmail I put right here, which will get the notifications of the new user details as well. I can of course uncheck this option and then he won't get the new user email to log in. Now I don't need to fill up those fields, and here I can choose the user language that I have downloaded to my website that he will see on the dashboard, not on the interface of the website, because as we saw on previous guides, it will not influence the website itself, only the user's dashboard. And then I just choose a random password, choose his role as an administrator, and that's it. 2FA grace period, I can check it if I want to. It's for WordPress security, and then just add a new user. Now let's see, after I save the credentials right here, if I log out and it works. If I try to log in to the new user right here. And that's it, it works. Now as you can see, I have a new user admin on my website, and this is how you do it. As you saw, it's very easy to create a user admin in your WordPress site. If you have any more questions, you can write down on the comments below. I will comment, and on the first comment I put in the link to my full guide on my website. And if you like this video, you can like, subscribe, comment, and share, and good luck.